بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope so you are all well. Welcome in my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss lesson number 3. In this lesson we will discuss about MADD. MADD. This sign name is MADD. And MADD mean make a stretch for 3 seconds. MADD mean make a long for 3 seconds. Like this is noon, and this noon has MADD. It's mean we will stretch to this noon for 3 seconds. Noon. We will not say noon, we'll stretch. Why? Because MADD on top. And this sign name is standing fatha. Standing fatha. This small alif is called standing fatha. And standing fatha mean make a long, make a stretch for 1 second. MADD mean make a stretch for 3 seconds. Standing fatha mean make a stretch for 1 second. So let's start our lesson from beginning. Alif. The first letter is alif, and alif has no MADD. That's why we will not stretch to alif. We will just say alif. Next is lam. Lam has MADD, so we will stretch to lam. Mim has MADD, so stretch to mim. Like alif lam mim. Okay, stretch. Next. Alif lam mim sad. Okay, stretch. Lam, mim and sad, because these 3 letters has MADD. Alif lam mim sad. Next. Alif lam ra. Again. Alif lam ra. Next. Alif lam mim ra. Alif lam mim ra. Next. Kaf has MADD, Ha has standing fatha, Ya has standing fatha, Ain has MADD, Sad has MADD. So let's read. Kaf ha ya ain sad. Again. Kaf ha ya ain sad. Next. Taha. Taha. Tasim mim. Next. Tasin. Tasin. Yasin. Yasin. Sad. Hamim. Hamim. Next. Hamim. Ain sin qaf. Ain sin qaf. Qaf. Noon. So basically MADD means just stretch for 3 seconds. So I hope so you understand. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, click on bell icon and share with the others. Thank you so much.